Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Understand the game objective. Save the King is a special event mode in Royal Match where you're tasked with protecting the royal family from threats. Your main goal is to complete level challenges while gathering resources and power-ups to defend against incoming obstacles. This mode combines puzzle gameplay with strategic defense mechanics that keep you engaged. Step 2. Learn how to match tiles and create combos. Start by swiping and tapping colored tiles to make matches of 3 or more identical pieces. When you connect more tiles, you'll trigger special combo effects that deal extra damage to enemies and remove more obstacles from the board. Master these combos to progress faster through levels. Step 3. Collect and use power-ups effectively. As you match tiles, power-ups will appear on the board including bombs, lightning, and fire effects. Strategically activate these power-ups by matching them with other tiles to maximize their impact against threats. Combining multiple power-ups creates explosive chain reactions that clear entire sections. Step 4. Manage your resources and energy wisely. You'll earn coins, boosters, and special tokens as you complete levels. Don't waste these resources on early stages. Instead, save them for difficult levels where you'll need extra help to succeed. Planning your resource usage is key to long-term progress. Step 5. Complete special missions and earn rewards. Throughout the Save the King event, you'll unlock bonus missions that offer exclusive rewards like gems and rare boosters. Focus on these side quests alongside main levels to accumulate wealth and unlock premium content that enhances your gameplay experience.